Hey everyone, this is my new Jimny kind of project car. It's a Jimny O2 manual soft top, which apparently is a fairly rare limited edition. Got it for a bargain price, quite nice. Needs a bit of work. The alternator seized on it, which is why they sold it. Got a new alternator to go on. Needs the mirror on the side there. A few other little bits and pieces. But yeah, it's quite a nice, tidy example. It's really rare because it's actually rust-free as well, which, if you know Jimny's, is like, yeah, rocking horse shit. But yeah, let's get into it. Got a few little bits and pieces that aren't to my taste, but yeah, nothing we can't fix, and should be quite fun once it's done. So let's have a look. Right, I've got that to go back on there. It's got the 3 spokes. The spares inside. I've got a new soft top bit to go on top. You know that one's pretty much fine. Yeah, needs a good clean. A really good clean. The new alternator fitting, I'm going to do that now. And awesome, yeah. Okay, so for some reason, some bastard has taken all my tools. So I'm having to use a sump plug removal tool, a 14mm socket on the bottom Allen nut. It's an Allen nut, but 8mm internal. It's a 14mm bolt on the outside. It's much easier with the thing. And this to get the fucker off. I'm doing this one first because the top ones are easy. I think it's always better to take off what's going to be the bitch or a bolt first, and that way you're not stuck halfway through a job. So this one's nearly off. In fact, that's, oh fuck me, that's probably finger loose now, so let's see if I can get my hand up. It's that bolt just there. As you can see, Suzuki designed it with loads of access. In fact, to be fair, it's not actually that bad. Take this one off, and then I believe take the cap off that, remove that. I think that's an 8mm, and there should be a plug. Yeah, can you see that? Oh yeah, good camera, dickhead. Yeah, there's a plug right there in the centre of the screen. You've got to remove that, take the alternator out, whack the new one in, belt on, and we'll fire up. So I'll remove this tank. So hopefully now I can get the alternator up and out. It's all free. Again, I forgot to wear fucking gloves. And yeah, hopefully the next shot will be that alternator out. That fucker's out. Sorry, that alternator's out. Oh, that's right, bitch. That plug, I was at the point of phoning Suzuki just to swear at them. Good bit of knuckle damage. Never mind, it's out. Let's get the new one in.
It's the new one to go in.
Let's hope this isn't such a bitch to put back in. Oh, well, it's not new. It's off another Jimny, but it's not seized, so that's fantastic. And yeah, okay, so I loosened this, took this belt off so I can get the alternator belt on and the fan belt. Oh yeah, yeah. Where the hell is the other belt gone? Honestly, 30 seconds, I've lost the fucking belt. What the is it in the video somewhere and I'm blind? Ah, fuck's sake, there it is. Right, we'll get that back on and we're good to go. Okay, fantastic, that's all done. I'm going to wet this bottle back in down there. Everything's wired up and we'll shift start. All done. All back in, new belts on. Battery might be dead. Oh, I've got to get bloody battery first, haven't I? That always helps. Now we're all done. Belts are all on. Battery connected. It might be dead, I don't know. Let's see if she starts. Neutral, neutral. Beautiful. First time.